So this lines not make it more darkly. Uh, do it a little light, so we can later on we can erasing these things, or you can use this another color like a red or blue. So or any other color, so you can easily understand the what is the basic of this drawing, the basic line of this drawing. So you can go ahead the another color like this. Okay, this sketching should be very fast. So you can another color I'm using for this. Randomly, you can make this like this. The basic is, so always we can create the basic. First the basic, this one, eyes line, nose line and ear line the same proportion. So just first to make the basic, and after basic you can erasing this. You got an idea the where the your position. So if it is disturbing, you just erasing after the basic done. After the basic done, you can erase the whole thing and start the fresh sketching. This is also very good way. Okay, so I just erasing this. Make sure when you draw the basic that times not create very strong line. Okay, so basic is done, so I am very easy to draw that a line. Okay, here I can draw, create the eyebrow. Okay, so make it this eyebrow. Here is the eye. Okay, so create this. This is the lion. You can create like this. Make this.
So can you move the camera to the top?
Yes, better. Here? Thank
Yeah.
you. Just to do the sketching like make this color. So you can make something light and shades over here. Here's something depth you can use in this line. Like a boldness. Here's something muscles. And in lion, here's something. Go ahead like this. Rishika. Hey, good morning, Rishika. Good morning. Happy Dashera. We started almost everywhere the dancing. Rishika, where my voice is audible. We are making this line. Okay, here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, happy Dashera's upcoming.
Thank you, sir. Same to you.
Same to you too. So you are from where, Rishika? From what states? Native?
Where I'm living now,
No, native your
Uttarakhand.
Uttarakhand. So what is the celebration? This is the celebration month. No, this is celebration month basically for everyone in Karnataka. In Dashera, in Kolkata, it's a Durga Puja. This is like that. So in Uttarakhand, any celebration month. This is any pujas or any.
I think it's this one only, sir.
Dashera only, right?
Yeah.
You even see any kind in Dashera, like how celebrated is something rituals.
Sir,
You don't attend any. Because I think your mama is so much, divine person, like God's really bright, isn't it? But I see one tilak in your mama's forehead.
that is like a society here.
Societies, what kind of? This is some, what's called?
We had Janmashtami.
Janmashtami, yes, Janmashtami, yeah. We also celebrate Janmashtami at home. But this looks good, great. Okay. So let's start, Rishika. We are doing start today some animal sketching, very roughs, wild animals. We are going to the wild tour with the sketching. So let's start.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.